Is your V8 engine suddenly running rough and stuck in low power mode? Cylinder 1 might be trapped with a faulty exhaust valve code, hurting your performance and wasting your gas. We are looking at trouble code P3407, which means cylinder 1 exhaust valve control circuit, low. This is a generic OBD2 code that applies to many American cars from 1996 and newer, especially large engines from Chevy, Dodge, and Chrysler. To help you get better gas mileage on the highway, modern V8 engines use a cylinder deactivation feature. When you are cruising at light loads, the engine control module turns off 4 of the 8 cylinders, putting the car into V4 mode. It does this by using variable valve timing solenoids to shut off the exhaust valves. This code specifically means the computer detected low voltage or low resistance in the circuit controlling the exhaust valve for cylinder number 1. When this happens, the computer might completely disable the fuel injector for cylinder 1 to protect the engine, which leads to some very noticeable symptoms. You will definitely feel an engine misfire, poor overall performance, and you will see your gas mileage drop significantly. Your check engine light or service engine soon light will also light up on your dashboard. The causes for this code can range from a faulty variable valve, timing solenoid, low engine oil level, low oil pressure, a restricted oil passage, damaged wiring, or a defective engine control module. Troubleshooting this starts with checking your oil. Cylinder deactivation relies heavily on proper oil pressure, so make sure your oil is full and clean. Next, do a visual inspection of the wiring around the cylinder 1 exhaust manifold. Look for melted wires, rubbing, or corrosion in the connectors. If the wiring and oil levels are fine, the variable valve timing solenoid itself might need to be replaced. However, this is where things get tricky. Do not just throw parts at the car. A common mistake is replacing the solenoid when the real issue is low oil pressure or a hidden wiring short. If basic oil and wiring checks do not solve the problem, or if you need to use an oil pressure gauge and a multimeter to test reference voltages, it is time to visit a qualified mechanic. Misfires can destroy internal engine components, so this is a severe issue that needs immediate attention. Drive safe and keep your engine in top shape.